This anti-aging face toner helps to reduce wrinkles, reduce acne, minimizes pores, make your skin soft and radiant. This will brighten your skin and make you look beautiful. So let's dive right into the video. Let me show you how I made this anti-aging face toner. So for this anti-aging face toner, we need carrots. Yes, an average size carrot just like this. So I'm just going to clean it up. Though I have washed it, but I still want to scrape the back so that we'll be sure that this carrot is very clean. Okay, so this is something you'll be applying on your skin, so make sure it is very clean. So I'll go ahead and scrape it. After scraping, I would rinse it. So guys, let me tell you the benefit of carrot on your skin. Carrot is so good for the skin because it contains beta carotene and antioxidants that helps to reduce wrinkles and protect your skin against aging. Carrot also brightens your skin, because it contains vitamin A and carotenoids, which enhances the skin and makes it glow. Okay, it also helps to even out your complexion. So carrot is so good. It also has acne prevention components. Yes, carrot can help to prevent acne because it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help to prevent breakouts. So carrot can also protect your skin against the UV rays. Yes, it has UV protection because of the beta carotene components it has. Okay, so it protects your skin and gives you that protection from the sun. So guys, after peeling the carrot or scraping the back, I rinsed it and cleaned it up with a paper towel. So now I'm going to grate it. Okay, so just look for the finest part of your grater to grate it because we don't want to have water in this. We only want the carrot juice. So I'll grate it and then show you the next thing to do. So let me continue telling you the benefits you derive from carrots. Okay, the beauty benefit on your skin. Carrot also helps to hydrate the skin because it has potassium, which protects the skin from dryness and it keeps it hydrated. Carrot also has wound healing properties because of the vitamin C it contains. Okay, and it also helps to boost collagen production. Yes, because of the vitamin C it contains, it helps to boost collagen production in your skin, in your body. You know that collagen helps us to keep looking younger. Yeah, so you actually need collagen and carrot would help to ensure that. Okay, the next is that carrot also helps to detoxify. Yes, when you eat carrot or use it on your skin, it helps to detoxify and flush out toxins from your body. And when you apply it on your skin as well, it helps to clean your skin and give you that bright and clear skin. So carrot also helps to reduce excess oil. Yes, it helps to reduce excess oil production in your skin. So if you have oily skin, this toner is very good for you because carrot will help minimize the excess production of the oil. Okay, so carrot also helps to soothe the skin. Yes, this toner we're making is so soothing. So if you have redness on your skin, if your face is red due to sun exposure, this toner would be of help to you. It will help soothe your skin and it will help clear the redness. Okay, it also helps in fading scars like acne scars, pigmentation and all that. This very face toner would help to do that because of the carrot we are using. So guys, after grating your carrots, the next thing to do is just to get it out like you can see me do. Make sure you get everything out from your grater. Okay, now I'll be transferring this carrot into a bowl. Yes guys, so I'll just transfer it. You can see how nice looking it is. So make sure you grate yours properly. So you can actually use a blender to do this if your blender can grind it without water, okay? But if you know you must add water, then use a grater like I did. So I'm just transferring this into this bowl. Yes guys, so this is the next thing you would do. So carrot is so good for the skin, okay? So guys, the next thing I'll be adding to this is rose water. Yes, rose water is so good for the skin. It helps to hydrate the skin, it soothes the skin, and also helps to clear dark spots on your face. Okay, so I'll get a spray bottle. Yes, I want to pour this facial toner in the spray bottle. So that's what I'll be using to measure out my rose water. I want this to really be concentrated with the carrot juice. Okay, so you can see the size of carrot I used and see the size of rose water, the quantity of rose water I am using. So I just pour this into the carrots. Then I left a little space. I didn't actually fill the spray bottle because I'll be adding some other things. Okay, so you just leave a little space that will contain the other things you'll be adding. So I'll go ahead and mix this very well and strain. Yeah, so we're going to strain it to get the carrot juice and the rose water. Okay, so I'll just strain this and we'll have it. So when you strain it this way, don't throw away the chaff. You can use it as scrub. Okay, you can just add either rice flour or sugar and glycerin to make it your facial scrub. So you can use it to scrub your skin, and after washing it you then use this toner. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and keep straining it. So after straining, the next thing we'll be adding is aloe vera. Yes, you add your aloe vera gel. You can use the natural aloe vera gel or you use the store-bought aloe vera gel. So I'm just going to pour some amount or quantity of my aloe vera gel into the spray bottle, just like you have seen. Okay, so I poured it directly into the bottle so that I can mix it very well. Then I'm adding glycerin. Yes, I've talked about glycerin severally on this channel. Glycerin helps your product to penetrate very well into your skin. Yes, glycerin helps to soften your skin, helps to smoothen your skin, and also helps to make your skin hydrated. Okay, so I'm just pouring the the carrot and the rose water into the spray bottle. Yes, so I poured it in there and I'm going to give it a thorough shake so that the carrot juice, the aloe vera, and the glycerin would mix properly. Okay, so you can see how I am shaking it. That is it, guys. So guys, it's time for us to apply this on the face. So just watch how I will spray this on my face. So before you spray, you shake it very well. Okay, give it a thorough shake, then you apply on your face. Just apply it very well. Make sure you spray it very well all over your face. Yes, spray it, okay, so that it would sit right in there, to go right into your skin. And before you do this, make sure you wash your face. Okay, so before you use your toner, make sure you wash your face. After washing your face, you apply your toner. Yes, your toner is the next thing you would apply after washing your face and cleanse your face. Okay, you apply your toner. So you can see I'm really applying it very well. Yes, and by the time you apply on your face, make sure you apply on your neck as well, because you know that aging also starts from the neck. So you apply on your neck very well. So do this generously. Yes, you apply this generously, and this will go to suit your skin, hydrate your skin, make your skin beautiful. Okay, so by the time you're done applying it, you allow it to dry on your skin. You're not washing it out, allow it to dry on your skin. Okay, then you apply your moisturizer. So you can see me applying my moisturizer. Yes, after allowing the toner to dry on my skin, then I apply my moisturizer. Guys, this is so good. It feels so good on the skin, and it will help you, maintain a healthy skin. This is so natural. It will give you that bright skin, minimize the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It will also help to clear acne if you're suffering from acne. So you can see how acne free my face is. Okay, yeah, so just make sure you do this. Apply your toner, then you moisturize your skin. Moisturize it, very well. Do not minimize your facial products. Apply it generously, and you can see the way I'm massaging my skin as I am applying it. So you just rub it, and it will go right there into your skin and make your skin beautiful. Guys, I hope you love what you're seeing. Please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel up to now, hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you would be notified. Okay, please guys, give the video a like. Okay, and don't forget subscribe if you haven't done so, and I would love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed.